Hello everyone. Hope you can see me well. I cannot see you, but I miss you all very much. Welcome to our very first pirate science class, and we're going to do some fun labs today, and we're going to get to take some of your questions. If you have any questions, you can just type them right in the chat below, and I will say hello. I see Alec and Ryer and Talus are with us, so hello guys. First, need to put on my pirate hat. This is my at-home pirate hat for private use at home, so you guys are lucky. You get to see my pirate hat. So, I miss you all, but I'm going to get to do some labs for you here online. So, every time we do a lab at school, we always get two questions. First, are we making oobleck? And I always say no. And then the second one is, can I eat it? So, and typically I say, well, you can eat anything. So for our first two shows, what we're going to do is first we're going to make oobleck, and the second one we are going to make something that we can eat. Okay? So oobleck. Oobleck is a very strange word. Oobleck, the word oobleck was invented by Dr. Seuss, the guy who wrote Cat in the Hat. So that is something I didn't know until today. It was a lot of fun. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to have our little learning target here. Today we can make some non-Newtonian fluid. There's some bizarre words in there. Non-Newtonian. What does that mean? Newton is this guy. This is Sir Isaac Newton. He was known for many interesting things. First, he was known for his amazing wigs. I mean, look at that. Pretty much the best wig I've ever seen. Okay? And he also contributed a lot to our understanding of science. He came up with the theory of relative gravity. He also came up with a theory that you probably haven't heard of before called Newton's law of viscosity, which is a very fun word to say. Everyone say with me, viscosity. Some of you didn't actually say it, so I'll be making a note of you. Okay, so viscosity is the rate at which fluid flows. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit here. Okay, here are two fluids. We have an orange fluid and a blue fluid. The orange fluid has a high level of viscosity. So it's kind of like thick and chunky, right? More of a shape to it. And the blue liquid has low viscosity. So it just whoosh. All right? So what we're going to do today is we are going to, we're going to make some oobleck. Let's stop talking about all these weird words and we'll talk about what's going on with it. Okay? Okay. What you need to make some oobleck. You need some cornstarch, okay? Sometimes known as corn flour. This is a lot like flour. People use it to thicken up things that they are cooking, okay? Cornstarch. And you need some water. We will need about 1.5 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water, okay? How many of you have ever made oobleck before? Type in, I have made oobleck. Oobleck. I will type oobleck so you know how to spell oobleck. Oobleck. No, I cannot see you. So only you can see me. But you can type to me, and I can read it. Okay? All right, let's scoop out a cup of corn starch. Okay? You can get this at any grocery store. I'm going to grab my quarter cup. We're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4/4 is a whole cup. And we're going to add a little bit more than 1 cup because we want to have a little bit more cornstarch than we have water. Okay, so I'm going to grab 1 more 1/4 here. There we go. Okay. Now comes the fun and messy part. All right. Water. So this is our cornstarch. Okay. It looks like confectionery sugar. Remember when people say, "Hey, can I eat this?" I always say, "You never know what you're eating because this looks like it could be powdered sugar or it could be flour." So in science, you want to make sure that you never eat something unless you're 100% sure you know what it is. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna pour in some water. I'm gonna mix it up with my hand. Okay, so maybe about half the water first. Okay. And I'm going to mix it up with my hand. Immediately it is starting to feel slimy. This is the best part of making oobleck, is the sliminess. So remember, today's learning target is I can make a non-Newtonian fluid. Let's add the rest of our water. So water is a Newtonian fluid because its viscosity doesn't change. It always moves around with the same amount of flow. Okay? So it's a Newtonian. See? Flows pretty regularly. It doesn't change its amount of flow. It could be thicker or thinner, but it's not going to change its thickness the way it flows. Okay? So here we go. We got all this water in our cornstarch here, and it's pretty thick down there. It's hard for me to pick up. Getting slimy. Okay, now we're ready to mess around with some oobleck, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab some and pick it up. It's hard to pick up. It feels really hard. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it. There it is. It's a lump, but then as I hold it, it becomes a liquid again. Okay? Bloop. Okay? Yes, it is super gross. Okay? If you want to make your oobleck a little colorful, now is the time to add a couple of drops of food coloring. I have some food coloring, but you know what? My hand is like, I'm not going to go grab it. Okay, so oobleck behaves in different ways. Here is some. It looks like a solid, but then it runs and becomes liquidy. See? So, we studied, before we got out on our extended vacation, we learned about different states of matter. And there are different kinds of states of matter. We know there are liquid, gas, and solid. So, we can understand what type of matter something is in by knowing its size and its shape. This is solid because it has a size and it keeps its same shape. Liquid, like the water on top of this oobleck, I think I need a little bit more corn syrup in here. I mean cornstarch. There we go. Okay. So liquid has a size, but we know that its shape changes all the time. And gas, like air, has neither size nor shape. It just flows. It takes whatever shape and size that its container is. But Oobleck acts as both a liquid and a solid. It is non-Newtonian. It changes its flow based on how much pressure we add onto it. So if I scoop up some Oobleck and squeeze it, it becomes like a solid. But when I let go of the pressure, it becomes a liquid again. Okay? Super cool, super gross. Solid, liquid. So you should try making some Oobleck. Play around. Know that it is non-Newtonian. I can't hear you, but I can see what you're typing. So if you have any questions, if you want me to show you something, then you can type it, and I will be able to respond. Okay? So Oobleck. There you go, guys. I miss you all. I wish that we had some time to do this in class. Soon we will. When we get back together next time, we will make some Oobleck together so you can get your hands on it. Okay? So everyone go grab some cornstarch, mix it with a little water. You should have some towels to clean yourself up afterwards. Like I brought an extra bowl of water here to wash my hand off. There we go. Can we play, Ryer asks, can we play Minecraft together? Yes. So, schedules for live shows. On Thursday, on Tuesdays today, I will run little science experiments like this. Next week, we're going to make something we can eat. I haven't figured out, wants to make a stink bomb. I'll look into it. We'll figure out how to make a stink bomb. Okay. So Tuesdays we'll do stuff like this. We'll make stink bombs. Next week we'll make something to eat. Can you eat Oobleck? As I say to my students, you can eat anything. Would you want to eat Oobleck? You would not want to eat Oobleck. It is nothing but cornstarch and water. It would probably make your stomach pretty upset. You might kind of throw up. So, we'll make fun things like this on Tuesdays. On Wednesdays, I will do a little coding thing. Tomorrow we're going to code a game about viruses. I bet you can guess why we're making a game about viruses. And then on Thursday, we'll play some Minecraft together. I will stream. I'm going to host a server. It will not be the Minecraft education version, so you are going to have to have a full retail copy of Minecraft Bedrock Edition, either on your computer or on your mobile device that you want to connect to. You will need to have your parents' permission. Okay? Okay, yes, you could eat it. I mean, you could drink this right now, but because I don't feel like losing my lunch, I'm not going to. Okay? Any other questions for you guys? I miss you too. Can you use flour instead? That is a good question. Flour is used in the same kind of baking processes, right? You use it to make things thicker. I have never tried flour before, so I don't know the answer to that question. That is something that I will investigate and let you know next week. I bet that's something you can try. Many kitchens have flour in it. You have Java. Yeah, I don't think Java is compatible. But I bought the Java Minecraft and they gave me the Bedrock for free because I had bought the Java. So you might want to look into that. Okay? Okay, guys. I hope that you are well. And I hope that you all tune in tomorrow. So, go to mrincorvia.com and check out some stuff. I put some like activities to do, videos to watch, things like that on my website. More stuff because we are currently not in school, but I will be here online on YouTube at 1 o'clock on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Okay? Okay. I'll leave the chat open for another couple minutes. Good to see you guys. I'll be here on chat. What's up, Ryer? Yeah. Hi. Okay. So, I have a whole bowl of Oobleck here. It's kind of gross. And it's actually a little more thin than I wanted it to be. A little bit too much like a liquid. I'm going to dump the rest of this in and see if we can't get it to be even grosser. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is really gross. Look at this. Ah. All right, let's get it in the liquid there. Okay. So you can see in the bowl is really like very liquidy. But if I put pressure, squeeze it, and pick it up, it becomes solid. But then when I let go, it's something you kind of have to feel. I really hope that you guys try to make this. It's pretty fun. Okay, here we go. Ah! 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 Hi, Stella. How are you guys doing? Is your brother being nice to you? Ugh. Okay, so my hand is totally covered in this Oobleck. Let me wash it off real quick. So you can also watch all these videos again. They will go straight to my YouTube channel after we're done streaming here today. I will also, after our coding class, I'll put all the examples that we make right onto mrincorvia.com. So you can go remix them. He's not treating you well. That is not good. Ryer, I don't think we're going to be playing Portal as part of this this thing, but it's a lot of fun. Okay, guys, I'm going to take off. It was good to connect with you today. Tomorrow, 1 o'clock, we're going to make a video game about staying away from viruses, which is kind of an important thing to do. Okay? All right. Take care, guys.